scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the position of a moving particle is easy if you know the acceleration. Let's solve this calculus problem quickly using integration right now. First, we integrate the acceleration function 24t plus 4 to find the velocity. This gives us 12t squared plus 4t plus a constant, which is 0 here. Next, we integrate that velocity function one more time to find the position. This step turns 12t squared into 4t cubed into 4t into 2t squared. Since the initial position is 0, the constant of integration disappears. This leaves the final expression found in option B. You nailed it. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush to miss steps. Trust given values and check your steps.